The American people understand the urgency of this moment. They're already voting in droves because they know their health care hangs in the balance. They understand that if Donald Trump gets his way, they could lose their right to vote, their right to clean air and water, their right to equal pay for equal work. Workers could lose their collective bargaining rights. Dreamers could be thrown out of the only country they've ever known. And women could lose the bedrock rights enshrined in Roe v. Wade for 50 years. People are voting right now because they know the very soul of this country is at stake, and because they know that the decisions of the Supreme Court affect their everyday lives. Their voices may not matter to Donald Trump. They may not matter to Mitch McConnell. But there are Senate Republicans out there who know in their hearts but if they shut out the voices of those during a voting period, during an election, and closing the door on American democracy thereafter. This is where the power of the nation resides, in the people, in the rule of law, in precedents we abide by. To subvert both openly and needlessly, even as Americans cast their vote, would be an irreversible step toward the brink and a betrayal of a single quality that America is born and built on. The people decide. The Senate has to stand strong for our democracy. They must not act on this nomination until the American people finish the process they've already begun of selecting their president and their Congress. As I've said before, if the people choose Donald Trump, then the Senate should give his nominee a hearing and a vote. If the people do not choose Trump and choose me, President Trump's nomination should be withdrawn. I should nominate, chosen by a president who's just been elected and by the people, to get a fair hearing, which would not even occur until early February, a confirmation vote. The U.S. Constitution provides one chance, for the Americans to have their voices heard on who serves a lifetime appointment on the Supreme Court, who makes those big decisions about their health care, their civil rights, and much else. That chance is now. That moment is now. And the voters, in my view, are not going to stand for this abuse of power. And if we're to call ourselves a democracy, their voices must be heard.